Hey everybody, hope y'all doing good today. As you can see, my topic for today gonna be the insurance plan for lease drivers. So I know you can't really see all the details clear from this picture, but so I'm gonna read some of these. Basically, I'm just gonna read directly from the paper that you see up here. So if you're planning on coming to P&S, they give you this packet because if you coming from company over to P&S, your insurance package that you had as a company driver gonna be canceled, and you have to go find your own plans, or you can get a plan from this packet that I'm finna read from you now. So pretty much the weekly rates for the contractor. If you getting the individual plan, the low side is like 21.33 a week, and the high side for just you individual plan is $40 um per week. So pretty much this plan come with the high side. They pay $800 for like a hospital visit, intensive care visit on the high side. It pays $800. Um, the annual health permission thing, it say it pays $500. Anesthesia, it pay $100 on the high side, and say for services and supplies, it pay $100. Lab and X-ray, it pay $150. Wellness office visit, one per year, it pay $80. X-ray and lab 150, emergency room visit 150, emergency room supplemental accident it pay up to $1,500, outpatient surgery it pay $1,000. So that's for the individual high side. Of course, you know it pay much lower on the low side, and the low side going down. It's saying intensive care $300. I'm just going over the main ones. And it's got for anesthesia, it pay $50. Inpatient service pay $100. X-ray diagnosis pay $100. Wellness office visit $50. A wellness X-ray lab is $100. Emergency room accident or sickness $100, and then it's got a supplemental emergency room pay up to $500, and then an outpatient surgery pay $450, and for generic drugs it's a generic brand $10 benefit brand and a $30 benefit brand, and I forgot for the high side it's a $10, and then for a generic brand and $35 benefit for the high brand. So okay, if you got just your spouse for medical, it's 4110. For contractor and children, 3364. All this the low side, what I'm talking about. The contractor plus family plan is $68.21 per week. Okay, the high plan contractor and spouse is $77.12. The contractor plus children is $65.43, and then the contractor plus family on the high side is $118.68. So that's what it's got for the medical part. Okay, for the dental, Um, for just a contract is 531. For the contracting spouse, 1062, and then for the child contracting child, 1015, and the family plan is 1477. Okay, and then it's got vision here, contractor 185 per week, contractor plus spouse 324, contractor plus children 550, contractor plus for the full family 550. So which is not bad. And then you also can get disability benefit that is broken up by age range. If you 18 to 49 years old, you can get the plan for $11.96, and it pay $1,200 a month if you need to use it. This disability benefits, okay? And then it's got you can do 14.95, 1,500 uh monthly benefit, or you can do 19.94 for $2,000 a month benefit, and then they got 2,500 for 24.92, and then it's got one $3,000 which is max, and that's 29.91 per month. Per week, and then it pay up to $3,000. And then the next bracket is 50 to 59, which is a little higher. And the highest package, if you want $3,000 per month in benefit, would be 37.25. And then you got 60 plus is for $3,000 with the benefit is $55.94, and on the low end for a 60-year-old would be $23.38 for just $1,200 per month for disability benefits. So that's pretty good. And the last thing I'm gonna go over, it's got other stuff, but I'm gonna go over this. It's got critical illness benefits. Um, critical illness insurance, basically, for a $10,000 benefit package, it pretty much goes by your age. Like a $10,000 benefit package is like for a non-smoker that's 45 years old and have to pay $4.22 for $10,000 policy, and for somebody with that's on tobacco, then this just individually will have to pay $7.52. And then if you want to add a parent, and for a non-smoker, for one parent and family would be non-smoker would be 278. Well, yeah, say 444, and then that's just for the individual, and then 774 for the other parent. And then for both parents and the whole entire family, they have critical illness insurance would be 634, 636 for non-tobacco, and it's $11.09 for tobacco use. And so it's got the age bracket all the way from 35 to 55 for the $10,000 benefit, and then it's got the $20,000 benefit is the biggest one they got. and that's pretty much what cost you. The highest one they got is like 4202 weekly for a $20,000 benefit. Now I'm gonna go into the last one. They got accidental insurance, individually accidental insurance. Oh man, it's got a lot. There's a lot to read here, but anyways, it's $3.38 for individual, individual plus child $4.45, individual plus spouse $5.26, and then family $6.51. And this is a pretty good policy to have because it's got common carrier accident death 60,000, automobile death 30 to 44,000, other accidental death 20,000, transport remains $800, survivor child education benefit $1,600 per year up to 4 years per child, license daycare $600, career enhancement $1,600, uh, spouse survival benefit up to 4 years, and then it's got accidental. If you lose a finger, $1,000. One eye, a hand, a foot, an arm, a leg, $4,000. Two eyes, a hand or foot, 10,000. Speech or hearing in both ears, 10,000. Two arms or two legs, 10,000. Speech and hearing in both ears, 20,000. And both arms and both legs, 20,000. It's got a whole list of things here. Like if you break your arm or something, it says it pay if you break hand, foot, waist, shoulder blade, forearm, ankle, elbow, kneecap, sternum, or low jaw, $2,000. Hip, $6,000. Leg, 2,500. Nose, heel, finger, $2,000. Rib, $4,000. Skull, $3,000. So it pays pretty good. It's better than nothing. Going have one of these emergencies and be in an accident. Better than nothing. And then it's got life insurance that you can get. Non-smoker, tobacco. Non-smoker 780 on the low end if you're 35, and tobacco 1123. So and that's a weekly payment for a $50,000 policy. So that's better than having nothing, guys. And if you can't afford the stuff or you don't think it's reasonable, I'm gonna go a little bit off topic, but at least get dental and vision for yourself and health. Get something on yourself so you be fine. Because out here, you definitely gonna need the worst thing to be out here working and have a toothache. A toothache can get real bad where you can't even concentrate and be able to do the job properly. And if you can't see, there's no way you can be a driver. So therefore, at least keep dental vision and get the lowest health plan you can get or whatever you can afford like that. But yeah, I hope this helped y'all out. And if y'all decide to use that plan or whatever, use this what P&S got available. If you planning on going lease, they'll give you this packet, when you sign up for your truck or whatever. And so then you can look through and make a decision like that. And I'm getting ready to end this video because I know it's kind of long. But if y'all find this information useful, like, subscribe, comment, pass it on to the next person or whatever. But this packet helped me out a lot because I got a family and stuff. So I had to end up getting a lot of these things that they had available. And then they even got the paralegal service, which I didn't even touch on. The paralegal, and then they got the accounting that you can get tax advice from and stuff for that. That's gonna help you in your lease purchase endeavor. But y'all be safe, man. And peace.